Hello, welcome to a video on stem and leaf diagrams. It's where we get a certain amount of information and we have to organize it in an ordered manner so it's easier to read. So in this particular case, we are looking at the heights in centimeters, 15 plants. So we're going to order them in a stem and leaf diagram, and then we must show a key. So we look for the smallest figure, which is 29. And then we look for the largest figure, which is 55. So we know the values are going to go between there. Now, we are going to have a stem, which is going to represent the tens, and then we're going to have our units next to it here. So the lowest is 20, and let's go 30, 40, and then 50. Now we cross off as we go, and the first one we can find is 29. So to represent that, the 2 is the 20, and I simply put a 9 here. Then we look at our 30s. I have 32. I have 33. I have a 35. And then to 38. And I cross off as I go. In the 40s, I have 40. I have 41. Another 41. I also have 42, 45, 47, and 48. Then on to the 50s, I have 52 and 55. Now for a key, we can write that we have 3, line and a 2, which means 32 centimeters. And that is the question complete. Please pause the video now and have a go at the second question. Okay, well done. So we look for the smallest value, which I believe is 48, and the largest value, which is 74. So therefore, I know that the stem is going to be from 40 to 70. So I look for the smallest value and I cross off as I go. So the first one is 48. The next one is 49. And that is our 40s done. Then we move on to our 50s. The lowest 50 I can see is 51. The next one up is 53. Then I have 54, 56, 57, and 59. On to the 60s, I have 60, I have 62, 63, 65, 66, 66 again, 68, and 68. And on to the 70s, I have 70, 71, 72, and 74. And to draw a key, I can choose any example. For example, we could have 4, and the 8 means 48 seconds. Thank you for watching.